Hey guys, so we're going to be helping out all of the calculations about how many bags of each vegetable there should be for her cousin's wedding. So we have taros, kumara, and yams. So if we let x equal to taros, y equal to kumara, and z equals yams. So she said that there's a total of 80 bags. So here gives us our first equation. So x plus y plus z equals to 80. And we know that one bag of taros is 6 kgs, as stated in her video. And then one bag of kumara is 3 kgs. And then one bag of yams is 4 kgs. And the total combined weight of all of them is 350 kgs. That gives us our second equation. And the cost, one bag of taro equals 50 bucks. And then one bag of kumara is 40. And one bag of yams is $20. And that equals the total of $3,100. And that gives us our third equation. So in order to solve this, we're gonna try and make this easier to see. As you can see, there's a massive number here, 50, 40, 20, 3,100. So we're gonna divide equation 3 by 10. And that gives us 5x. 40 divided by 10 is 4. 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then 3,100 divided by 10 is 310. And now in order to isolate one of the variables, we're gonna minus equation 1 from equation 2. So that's here, so we minus 1. So 6 minus x equals 5x. As you can see, it isolates the x variable. 3y minus y equals 2y, positive 2y. And 4z minus z equals positive 3z. And that equate, and 350 minus 80 is 270. So as you can see, we're going to use the process of elimination. So as you can see, the x variable is isolated, so that equals to 0. And then 4y minus 2y equals 2y. So when there's two positives in each equation, when you use the process of elimination, you minus. And if one equation is positive and one of the other equations is negative, then that's when you add. And this is not the case. And 2z minus 3z equals minus z equals to 310 minus 270, which equals to 40. Rearranging this equation to find z, z equals 2y minus 40. So now we have first half the equation to find z with 2y minus 40. Now we're going to substitute z into our first three equations. So for equation 1, x plus y, substituting z gives us 2y minus 40 equates to 80. And we're going to simplify this rid of the like, so as you can see. So x plus 3y minus 40, so you want to get rid of that to the other side. You got to add 40 on that side, add 40 on that side, equates to 120. That gives us our equation 1. Equation 2, 6x plus 3y plus 4. With the coefficient of z being 4, we're going to multiply 2y minus 40 by 4 equals to 350. And simplifying this, so the bracket gives us 6x plus 3y, and then 4 times 2y is 8y. 4 times negative 40 equates to negative 160 equals to 350. Now you can see the like terms here of the y and the numbers, and the numbers. So it gives us 6x plus 11y equals to minus 160. I'll go to the other side, add 350 plus 160 equals 510. Gives us our equation 2. And for our equation 3, substituting z in, so 50x plus 40y plus 20, being the coefficient of z, substituting z in, 2y minus 40 equals to 3,100. Simplifying the bracket further, 50x plus 40y plus 20 times 2y is 40y. And then 20 times negative 40 equals negative 800. Gives us 3,900. Oh, no, it doesn't. Let's skip a step. Let's get back. So equals to 3,100. Now we can see the like terms here of the 40. So it gives us 50x plus 80y. Now we have the minus 800 here. We want to get rid of that. So that equals to 3,900. Now we have our third equation. Done. So we're going to rewrite the equation here. So the first equation is 6x plus 3y equals to 120. Our second equation, 6x plus 11y equals to 510. And our third equation, 50x plus 80y equals to 3,900. So in order to find, isolate another one of the variables, we're going to isolate x again in order to find y, which seems the most easiest way possible for us to do, by timesing the equation 1 by 6. So 6 times, or equation 1 goes to 6x, 6 times 3 is 18y, and then 120 times 6 is 720. Now we have 6x, you can see that equation 2 also has 6x, so we can use the method of elimination using equation 2, 6x plus 11y equals 510. Now because both of the operations are positive, we're going to minus them. So 6 is 0, 18 minus 11y equals 7y equals to 720 minus 510. which equals to 210. And then we want to get rid of the 7, so 7 is times y. In order to get rid of the 7, we're going to divide. So when we move to the 7, it becomes y equals 210 divided by 7, therefore giving us y equals 30. Now because z was not really finished, we had z equals 2y minus 40. Now that we have y, we can substitute that in to z equals 2 times 30 minus 40. 2 times 30 equals 60, minus 40 gives us 20. So z therefore equals to 20. So now we have two known variables, y equals to 30 and z equals to 20, which we can rewrite over here. Y equals 30, z equals to 20, and x is still an unknown. Using the first equation, it says x plus y plus z equals 80. Now we can substitute the y and z value in this equation. So x plus 30 plus 20 equals to 80. Now we can simplify this further. X plus 50 equals to 80. Now we're solving for x, so you want to get rid of the 50. So you minus 50 on this side, you minus 50 on the other side of the equation. So x equals to 80 minus 50, therefore meaning x equals 30. Now we know everything, all the bags, how many bags of kumara, how many bags of yam, and how many bags of tires. So we know that 30 bags, if I can spell properly, is the tar. Also 30 bags for the kumara. And 20 bags for the yams. I hope this helps you all. All the best of your cousins wedding.